Everybody, I'm Lori Townsend and I'll be your professor for computer applications this semester. This is our class in Blackboard. Here is the home page. There is an announcement, it's not showing, but check there for my announcements. I post at least once a week and usually I have reminders of due dates and important items like that. They also will go to your T-Wolves account, so it's very important that you check your T-Wolves mail and you check it regularly. So here's actually your welcome. You have to do these procedures whenever you log into class. First is you have to check your T-Wolves account. Any correspondence I have with you will go there. And it has to go there. I can't really email information to your personal accounts. The other thing is it's essential that you check it at least 3 times a week. And make sure you check it often. Like if you post to me a question, if you send me a question via email, I respond pretty quickly, and sometimes students don't respond to me for 4 or 5 days after I've answered their response. And it really slows down the work and getting anything done. So please, if you email me, make sure you're checking for a response because I will respond fairly quickly unless you email me at 4 o'clock in the morning. You can begin by looking at the left tab. See here, I refer to this as the Quick Links tab because it has information or connections to different things in the course. Start with your course orientation, which is the video that you're watching now. So congratulations, you found it. Go from there. Click around and if you get a feel for the course, make sure you read everything, especially the FAQ. I post frequently asked questions because I get asked the same question quite often. If you do ask a question that's referred there, I will refer you to the FAQ just so that you get in the habit of using it. It gets you the answer much quicker than I can, so why not? Okay, begin with the course information, which is basically your syllabus. And then take part in your icebreaker discussion. Tell us a little bit about your classmates. You have to respond to 2 of your classmates. Make sure you read the directions for the discussion, and then you're ready to begin Module 1. So here's the announcements. Here's the video that you're watching. Here's your calendar. It says fall. I just haven't updated it yet. When I update the video, I'll update the calendar as well. Oh, I updated. I just didn't change the link name, so that's good. So here's your calendar. You have a hardware assignment that's due January the 20th. This course covers Windows, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Access. And I put in a little Outlook module and calendar module because I think they're really great aspects of Office that are often underutilized. Like I wish everybody used the email and calendar options. Note here I have a link to support and the Cengage Unlimited dashboard in case you're using those. Cengage Unlimited, Cengage is a publisher, and what they've offered is that you can get all your textbooks for $120 as long as they're Cengage books. They're usually electronic codes and they come with an ebook, but if you can get all your books for $120, more power to you. So there's the link. This class utilizes that, or you can always connect through one of the assignments, which I'll show you in just a minute. Okay. I use Starfish. I might send you out kudos or warnings, things that you haven't done, that kind of stuff. So that information is contained in Starfish. Also, your way to make appointments with your advisors is also through Starfish, so make sure you know how to use that. Most advisors use it, not all. I don't use course messages in this course. See these things with a little X through them? That means they don't show up for you, so just ignore them right now. This will be put in a better order than it is right now. Here's the option for email. The best way to get a hold of me is email. Some students insist upon calling me, but I only check my voicemail when I'm in the office. But I check email all day, every day. So the best way to get a hold of me is to send an email. Quick for me and quick for you. Okay, there's the course FAQ that I was talking about. Here's the learning modules. Click on those. There's the course information, which is that syllabus information. There's a student survey link, and then down here is the actual work. So you'll see Module 1, everything is due by February 18th. There's various due dates, however, and they are contained in that calendar. So you can see you have a Windows assignment that is due January 27th. Just the last one for the module is January 18th. So make sure you're paying attention to the calendar. So you want to click that. I've got some videos in here to introduce information. There's a hardware assignment that you have to do. There's some Word videos also, that explain what word processing is. I think Word is not that hard for students to comprehend because most of us are familiar with it. But here is the SAM information. SAM is a program that I use to It goes through training videos and shows you how to do it. It has you walk through doing things, and then it tests you on it. So you must have SAM for this class. And anything that has this little funny blue star in it is a SAM assignment or Cengage assignment. So you click on Windows Training 1. Now I have the code, so it's going to go right into the assignment. If you don't, this is where it'll ask you to register your code that came with your book or to purchase one from the bookstore. So you go through and do all these assignments, and then boom, you get a grade. Okay, so in this module there's Windows Training, Windows Exam, Word 123, and 123 Exam. And finally there's a Word project. Now the Word project you actually have to have Office for. You can contact our help desk here at the college to get a free version of Office. Now you may have Office already, but you may want to get the free version because it comes with a copy of Access. Not all versions of Office come with Access, and you will need it for the project. However, you can always go to the library here at the campus if you're local, or probably your local library to find Access as well. Okay, back to the learning modules. There's a module for Windows and Word together, PowerPoint, Excel, and then Access. And then also here, I have a link that you can just go into Connect, or into SAM, I'm sorry, and see your assignments, but there's no need to do that. You really should do them from Blackboard so the grades get logged into the gradebook. But it is there in case you want to see if you submitted, maybe you're not seeing a grade for Word Exam 2 and you did it. You can link out to SAM and take a look there. You can also run reports. I got to check this link because there's two of them. One of these is going to go away. The publisher accidentally deleted my class, so one of them's the old class and one of them's the new class. We'll have to find out which one's there. There's also a link here for support in case you need a technical issue. For example, students will contact me and say my registration code won't work. That's technical, and that's something that Cengage needs to fix, so you're much quicker to contact their support than you are to contact me for that. I'll just tell you have to contact Cengage support. Or so students will call me and say my code was used. I can't do anything about that. Only Cengage can. So please make sure you contact them. So that's about it. Oh, in every module you have to do a reflection when you're done. What did you learn about Word? What did you find surprising? What did you already know? Oh, I clicked on it, didn't go anywhere. Here we go. Ignore that. That's only for me. I have to go through and clear out some questions. There's the icebreaker discussion. Now make sure you create a new post with your response and respond to 2 other people's postings. That's very important, or you won't get full credit. Okay, and then there's a Word reflection, PowerPoint reflection, Excel, and Access. Got it? Let's see, is there anything else I want to show you? Oh, let's take a look for the FAQ since we have about a minute or so in the video. Where's all the work? Actually, it's all pulled into Blackboard, so you shouldn't be asking that question. Where's SAM? It tells you how to get to it. Where's my product code? It came shrink wrapped with your book. Make sure you look for it. Or you can purchase it directly from the publisher. Can you check my assignments for me? Where do I find the due dates? That calendar is your key to everything. I'm having a problem with SAMs. The first thing you should do is come here and check your system requirements. Sometimes people are utilizing an old browser or don't have something installed on their computer, and checking the system requirements will give you the key to if you have the right stuff. And it should ask you to update if that was the problem. There's a link there to contact SAM support, although I showed you a direct link right from your class. Do I need Windows 10 or Office 2016? SAM's a simulation, so for most of the work you don't need them. But each module has a project. However, you can get a free version of Office, or you can use the library, either one. What the due dates for the reflections? It should be clear in the calendar, but I get asked that question a lot. I submitted my reflection and my responses late. Can you grade them, please? I don't accept them late because essentially it's a discussion, and if you haven't been there, there's no one to have a discussion with. And finally, if this is a Mac, will this work for me? The answer is yes, but you may have to make a couple tweaks. If you're having issues, you should call SAM support. The problem is I don't have a Mac, So I can't test out the issues for you. So it's important that you contact Cengage support. So again, my name is Lori Townsend. You can email me if you have any questions, and let's get started. This class should be a lot of fun. Once students get in for, there's a little disorientation when you start, but within a week or two, it runs like clockwork. So good luck, and let's hope we have a great semester.